Poor thinking doesn't feel wrong. That's the problem. It feels safe. It feels familiar. It feels comfortable. If poor thinking felt painful, no one would stay stuck. But comfort is not freedom. Comfort is emotional relief, and relief is addictive. The human brain is not designed to make you wealthy. It's designed to make you feel safe. Safe from uncertainty. Safe from judgment. Safe from responsibility. Poor thinking aligns perfectly with that goal. It reduces tension. It reduces decision-making. It reduces risk. And that's why it feels so good. Poor thinking offers something very powerful. A story. A story where nothing is your fault. The system is broken. The economy is unfair. Life is expensive. Timing is bad. And maybe all of that is partially true. But notice what the story does. It removes responsibility. If nothing changes, nothing is required from you. And psychologically, that feels peaceful. Rich thinking does the opposite. It creates tension. Because rich thinking asks uncomfortable questions. What am I avoiding? What am I delaying? What habits are keeping me small? Those questions don't feel good. They create friction, and the brain hates friction. That's why most people don't change their habits. Not because they don't know better, but because comfort becomes identity. This is just how I am. This is realistic. Normal becomes invisible. And invisible traps are the hardest to escape. Here's something most people misunderstand. Poor thinking is not lazy thinking. It's protective thinking. It protects you from anxiety, from uncertainty, from standing out. It keeps life predictable, but predictability has a price, and that price is long-term pressure. Rich thinking feels uncomfortable at first because it removes the emotional padding. It forces you to sit with uncertainty, with boredom, with delayed gratification. It often feels lonely because when you change how you think, you stop syncing with the crowd, and the crowd doesn't like that. This is why poor thinking spreads so easily. It's social. Everyone around you reinforces it. Complaints feel bonding. Spending feels normal. Comfort feels earned. Rich thinking feels strange in those environments. Quiet, uncelebrated, invisible. But here's the shift. The real mental upgrade. Poor thinking asks, how do I feel better today? Rich thinking asks, what problem disappears if I tolerate discomfort now? That's the difference. One avoids pain. The other removes future pressure. Rich thinking is not about motivation. It's about tolerance. Tolerance for boredom. Tolerance for slow progress. Tolerance for being misunderstood. That tolerance compounds, just like habits do. Most people don't stay stuck because life is hard. They stay stuck because comfort is seductive. Comfort whispers, relax, tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes years, and years become identity. If you want to think richer, understand this. Comfort is not neutral. Comfort trains you. It trains you to choose relief over control, ease over leverage, now over later. Poor thinking feels good now. Rich thinking feels uncomfortable first, but only one of them removes pressure over time. The other just delays it. Think richer.